Hello, my name is Ashwarya, and in today's video, we're going to be checking of how to get object ID for extensible maps. So here in this, the environment we have an object called environment map extension summary object, which helps us to give the object ID before you are performing any. So here we can see the reason we why we want to use this is because before we are updating or getting or using a get operation on an environment map extension object, we must perform a query operation on the environment map extension summary objects to obtain object IDs for extensible maps. So this will give you all the required fields that are needed for you to update or get any environment map extensions object, or if you want to use that extension object. So here, just make sure that for this environment map extension is just for the map extension environment, because using environment extension object you can manage, but you can manage different extensions as well, such as connection and process properties. But for the extended map, we have environment map extension summary object. So as soon as we scroll down, we see the list of supported operation. Get is not supported. We just have to perform query. So here is the REST implementation of how we can go ahead and query that. I have went ahead and copied the HTTP post request right here, account ID being the account ID that I'm trying to query the environment extension map. Here is the environment extensions, environment map extension summary, and the operation that I'm going to be using is query. So here I'm passing the query filter. I'm using XML, and I just have one property that I'm going to be passing here is something called as environment ID. You can find environment ID in from the atom management page. Here's the environment ID that I'm trying to query. I've already hit send, and here are the results. So here we see I have two maps deployed in that. I have two extensible maps in that environment. Here we can see the details. The ID is going to be this is the environment ID. This is the type, and then we see here is one ID that is coming up. So this ID is going to be used in the environment. This is the environment extension, map extension of how I'm using an update query right here. So this ID will be used to pass in the URL when we are updating any environment map extensions. So this is something to be careful of. Here is the process ID that this process, the map is deployed in, and here is the map ID and the name. These two properties are also going to be used in the environment map extension object, where we can pass. Here is the map ID that I'm trying to pass. This is a different object. It's just an extension of how these environment map extension summary data is going to be used to update the environment map extensions. So here is how you can pull this data, and here is the documentation which talks about an environment map extension summary object. Yeah, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.